So Ankur, given that Deloitte is at the forefront of the consulting world, if you had to describe the next generation insurance technologist, what would that person look like?
The next generation insurance technologists would look like, there'll be two types. One is the skill set of the business analyst slash product owner with deep domain expertise to understand what is the product, what do we want to develop, what do we want to build. The other aspect is the combination of the developer and the QA role, which becomes more of engineered, full stack engineers who have a very good understanding of Gen AI, of the Gen AI models. How will they work? What are the bugs which they're introducing in the code? Because as we start to look at in lot of the build that will be Gen AI enabled, the engineers will have to understand what has been built and whether it has the right context from a carrier standpoint. So future of insurance technology is really exciting, and Deloitte is building that talent model out for our carriers and for Guidewire.
Okay, given that, just one more question then. So what excites you the most about the future of insurance technology?
What excites me more is the value which we collectively, Deloitte and Guidewire, will deliver to our carriers. If you look at the current ecosystem, it's more of projects which are 12 to 18 months long. The implementation cycle, the transformation cycles are much longer. And when you're reaching towards the end of the cycle, the product has become stale, what a carrier will deliver to the market. If we can transform those cycles to 6 to 8 months and get those products out into the market very quickly, then the carriers will get a lot more value out of it. And it's all about value creation. The other thing which will Gen AI on top of Guidewire will enable the carriers both from an efficiency and a growth standpoint. When I say from an efficiency standpoint, if you look at claims and the ProNavigator acquisition which you all have done, the claims adjusters will be able to figure out what is the next best action. How can they adjust the claim in a much more holistic fashion? A lot of efficiency play right there. And when we start to look at from a growth perspective, building the new set of products, having much better underwriting in play will enable the carriers to explore new markets and grow. So there is tremendous value from a Guidewire Deloitte standpoint to deliver back to the carriers.
Fantastic. Lots to be excited about.